Good day everyone, I am Dave Patrick P. Javiña from BSBA 1B and I am going to discuss the Fibonacci sequence. Now, first and foremost, let us define Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a set of statistics which begins by 1 or 0, accompanied by 1 and progresses mostly on basis of a regime that every other amount, called Fibonacci number, is equivalent to the total of the two previous numbers. The Fibonacci sequence is given the name after Leonardo Pisano, as well identified as Leonardo Pisano or Fibonacci. He is an Italian mathematician. He was born on year 1170 and died at 1250, and he is considered to be the most talented Western mathematician of the Middle Ages. If the Fibonacci sequence has been f of n, in which n is the first term in the series, the preceding form is solved for n equals 0, which is the first two terms can be defined as 0 and 1. As example with that, f of 0 is equals to 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, so on and so forth. Fibonacci numbers have been of involvement to biologists and physicists since they are routinely seen in numerous environmental visual characteristics. For obvious reasons, these same branching structures in trees, flowers, leaves, as well as the allocation of seeds in raspberry are premised on Fibonacci numbers. Now let's solve, and how do we find Fibonacci sequence? The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34. 2 is found by adding the two numbers before it, which is 1 plus 1. 3 is found by adding the two numbers before it, which is 1 plus 2. And 5 is 2 plus 3, and so on. The importance of the Fibonacci number series is excellent. This pattern is a framework for the global development. That would be a very essential sequence with several application areas, some of which have been recognized and some unidentified. So always remember that Fibonacci sequence contributes not only to solve mathematics, but also we can apply it into real world that help us to have development and growth.